Take a ride in the 2024 Ford Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car, styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.